What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today, happy Monday. Black Swan, huh? Black Swan. Black Swan is what actually in essence happened. We're gonna take a look at the Bitcoin chart because everything did drop, but that means a lot of opportunity. Honestly, I mean, aside from the war thing, obviously, that's obviously always bad. War is not something that I'm not a political person, but I definitely don't. I'm not into war. I think it's disgusting. I think it's sad. But anyways, back to crypto. There's opportunity. Okay, all of this is essentially opportunity. We're gonna take a look at the Bitcoin chart, and then we're gonna take a look at some projects today. The projects that I've been mentioning. I'm probably gonna add one more called Grow. It's part of the Trias ecosystem. Okay, it's actually one of the layers of Trias, Triathlon, something like that. Grow. So we're gonna take a look at the different websites, and we're gonna take a look at the tokenomics of AGC, Grow, Dnx 20, Dnx, and LAI. Those are actually videos that I've been wanting to make specifically of each one of those projects because I'm in those projects. No, Grow I'm not in, but I plan on being in. I'll let you know all about that stuff after, okay? Because again, because there's opportunity now. It's time to look at some projects to see if we put some capital in there. And so without further ado, let's do this. And you know, in my Spanish community, a lot of people have asked me to talk about this token because they know that I'm a big Trias guy. And Grow is like their basically Trias is AI arm. It's tough to explain this project actually, Trias in its totality, because I don't completely understand it myself. And Triathlon is the Grow, the name of the Grow, and this is their website. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there. But first, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Okay. And so, guys, if you could, the easiest way for me to just kind of explain this, what's happening right now here, how I see it, right? This line right here and this line right here representing a channel that we're in. With all that news, with the stuff of war, all we could do is just touch this line, touch this area of resistance right here. I mean, of support at 61,002. Now, could things escalate more and could things drop? Yes, absolutely. Where can I see it dropping? Okay, well, the support here at 61,300. There's support here at 58,164, and I think absolute support, the final supporting line, is this ascending line that you see right here. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Bitcoin halving is a few days away. It was supposed to be on the 20th, 420, but I guess not. I guess it's going to be on the 19th. Who knows? Again, it's a moving target, but somewhere around there. So we're right at it. Could it be that we spend time here? I thought we were going to be going up into it. We still could be, but let's see what happens. The dollar is looking strong, guys. Okay, look at that. That's good. That's big. Not good. That's big. We broke through this 105 area of resistance. Okay. Really, since November 22, 2022, we've tried a few times to get over it. We made it over it here, right? It's the most recent local high, and then we just lost it, came back, and now it looks like we're trying to do it again. All right, so that's interesting, but I mean, still, it's the local high, and this I believe, I think this is the all-time high, but this is, no, it's not, but this is previous to this local high. This was the local high, all right, when it went on a big rally. 2022. Now let's see where we kind of turn around at. Could be we try to get all the way up here, so there could be some more sideways, guys. It could be some more sideways, a little bit more of a drop for Bitcoin, but not much. I mean, there's positive news everywhere. ETFs in Hong Kong, I believe, have been approved, or in China, Hong Kong have been approved, although they're saying there's not going to be too much volume. I mean, the U.S. market would be the biggest one. There's not going to be too much money coming in through that, but something is better than nothing. Believe that. And do we lose this? Like I said, right now my bias is no. My bias is that we're essentially we have been on the top half of this channel, and now it seems like that we're going to be testing the bottom half of this channel. and seeing what happens. If we can't hold on to it, and if we're testing for, you know, like a month, or like June, for example, when does this get to 60,000? This ascending line, 60,000 around June. So it could be that we just kind of play above this line, right? Because eventually it gets closer. It gets closer to here, right? It gets closer to this line. And why do I want to? I can't speak. This line is important. This ascending line that I see here. Okay, what happened? This ascending line. Okay, because Bitcoin has had a relationship with it for a long time, right? I think I've showed you this, guys. This line is important. Okay, so it's a big line, and recently, you know, we kind of strayed away from this, where it's just been touch and go for the first time in a while. No, actually, no, that's not true, because this one shows a little differently. This is the Coinbase chart. As you can see, we actually been below, according to the Coinbase chart, for a little while in 2016. Right, since then, only now. Well, we touched it on 20. That's COVID. That's COVID. But only now have we been doing kind of this since 2016. This, so it could be that we do spend some time kind of right near it, and do like maybe another touch or two. Boom, maybe another touch in June. Okay, I think the summer is going to be boring. Maybe we just kind of lull for a little while into the summer, and then after the summer things start really heating up. Could be possible. But this line is important, and at some point maybe we touch it again. Right, so that's how I see it. Let's see what happens. Wow, I'm gonna have to break this down a little bit. So that's my Bitcoin analysis. Let's see what the week looks like. Okay, so that's what the week is looking like. See, we lost the upper part of this channel, and now we're kind of seeing the bottom part now. Maybe we play around here for a little while, guys. All right. So nothing too exciting, but I don't think the end of the world either, guys. This is a great opportunity, and well, I'm going to take advantage of it. I have decided to take a loan, right, and put some more capital in this, and that's why over the weekend I've just been looking and getting my plan in order for when that capital comes in the next couple of days, and just start DCAing into the few projects. And this is the projects that I haven't talked about really, and so I wanted to bring your attention. So let's do that. Right. This is Triathlon. This is Grow, right? The ticker is Grow. It's part of the Trias ecosystem. It's like their AI, their decentralized AI training platform, the Web3 marketplace for computing power. I've been looking for more AI plays, okay? And so this one looks pretty good. And I know Trias, and the market cap on this one is a lot lower than Trias. I'm really bullish on Trias. It's having like kind of indirect exposure into Trias with Triathlon or Grow, right? Now, I'm at cryptorank.io, because they do pretty good about like the vesting and everything, showing you on about the tokens, their vesting periods, their vesting schedules. All right, so December 29th, 2025, or you know, the latest I think the bull run would culminate at, we are seeing at 64% in circulation. Right? Yes, 64% of total supply will be more or less in circulation on that. So before that, there'll be less. If things happen in the beginning, there'll be less 50s. Let's take a look at the numbers on Grow really quick. Market cap of 5.5 million. Okay, volume 366,000, and the fully diluted right now says 5 million. That isn't correct. Because this is why CoinMarketCap is kind of a pain in the butt. The market cap is showing 5 million, and the fully diluted market cap here is showing something different. Let's go with what crypto rank says. Overview. Okay, market cap 5.51 million currently. Their fully diluted would be at 55.11 million. Okay, so that's something to think about. But I just gave you the vesting period, so I mean at most 68% of this would be in circulation by the time you probably want to sell, and really at best 50% of this, so like 25 million fully diluted, around 50% would be in circulation by the time you want to sell, based on when the actual top is, or when the blow off top period is. Okay, so keep that in mind. Things to know about if you want some direct indirect exposure to Trias. If you think Trias is already too high, although right now it's a great time to buy Trias, and it's actually one of the ones that I have earmarked to buy more of. Getting exposure to this one is pretty interesting, and you know, if Trias takes off, Ro is also going to take off their AI layer, and remember, AI is going to be a huge narrative, so I think that's a good one. Website looks pretty good. Everything looks pretty good. I mean, you can go ahead and read all that stuff. I'm not going to do that. Next one is Layer AI. Okay, now there's some FUD going on about Layer AI. You know, regarding they're about this, saying one of these guys is not a real person, but everything looks pretty good, and they are on a lot of lists. 900,000 user accounts. They are another AI play. What are they doing? The dedicated blockchain network for data monetization within AI models, so you can make money from your own data. Okay, whereas right now entities make money from your data. So pretty interesting. Layer AI, Layer 2 data economy app. Got to go through it, check it out. All right, let's take a look at that. By the end of 2025, everything should be in circulation, more or less. Damn near close, 98%, 93.6% at the end of 2025. In 2024, it'll be in like the 80s, 90s. Okay, it'll still be in like the early part of 2025. It'll be in the 80s, or even in the 70s if it happens in 2024. 75%. Okay, so keep that in mind. Let's take a look at overview. We're gonna go with CryptoRank.io for these numbers. I think it's more believable. So market cap right now, crypto of Layer AI is 12.03 million. The fully diluted is 113 million. Depending on when that bull run is, it could be the complete, just basically 93%. I'm gonna say the whole thing basically, or it could be 75% of this number. Okay, so I mean, still relatively early. It's another AI play, guys. Okay, and I think it'll do well. 500% from its all-time low. Okay, so I mean, you're still catching it somewhat early, as the other ones have gone up way higher. Right, relatively new project. What does it say? 2023. All of these are relatively new projects. So like within like a year, or some up to days or weeks. Okay, so keep that in mind. And I've done my homework. I've gone into here, and now obviously you guys need to do it too, right? But I mean, I've gone in here and I've looked at it as far as like the different communities, right, of these projects, Dnx20, and they look pretty good. They look pretty good. So that's why I'm not trying to lose. So that's why I have these particular ones. Now, that was Layer AI. Notice Triathlon, which is Grow, Layer AI, which is LAI. They're both AI plays. Okay, and that's done because I wanted to have more exposure to AI plays. And the next one is also an AI play called Devolved AI. Its ticker is AGC, AgroCoin. Building the future of decentralized AI together. Welcome to AI owned by you. Blockchain launch app by AGC. It's on the Polygon network. Devolved. Okay, website looks pretty good. I like the style. It looks very nice. And people are bullish on it. People are bullish on it. Let's take a look at the numbers really quickly. The market cap is not available, and that's I'd have to go into the chat and take a look and inquire about that. 24-hour volume is 739,000. What was the 24-hour volume of Layer AI? Trading volume. This is another thing that I really like about this project. Trading volume 13.7 million. Remember, its market cap is at 12 million, guys. 13.7 million Okay, a lot of interest in this coin, and I know volume can dry up really quickly. I understand that, but I mean, it's really good to see $13 million, guys, on a $12 million market cap. I know the fully diluted is 113, but still, okay, this should tell you something. Okay, these are little things that we got to look at when we're looking at these projects. Okay, all right. So now back to Argo. 700, less than a million, right? Fully diluted is 149 million. Okay, we're gonna take a look at the chart. This chart is kind of it's right because this is when this project got into Bitmart. But I mean, for the most part, you'll see. We'll get to the charts. Everything, these projects look good, guys. I can't give you an idea of the tokenomics. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a later video on that, give you a better idea on the tokenomics. But if I have interest in it, it's because from my initial look, the tokenomics weren't bad. But I have to go back and definitely confirm that. Evolve AI. I'll make a note of that. But the website looks pretty good. All right. The community, they really like their project. If you do a X right here, you'll probably see them come up a little bit. Let's see. AGC. An hour ago, just to talk about that. AGC is the only one I need. An hour ago. 2 hours ago is AGC. Okay, so people are mentioning it. It's on people's lists. We like that. That's what we want to see. All right, so that's devolved. Triathlon, Grow, just layer of triads, AI play, layer AI play, 13 million in volume daily, on a 12 million market cap, and devolved AI. Here's the token distribution. I mean, if you want to take a look at that, circulating supply, POB rewards. All right, so I mean, token distribution, circulating supply, apparently at least 43%. So that should. I just remember that it was pretty good. I just can't remember exactly where. I mean, I look at so many projects, guys, for the love of God. Why you shouldn't trust your data with devolved AI, ChatGPT, BERT, blah, 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 devolved AI. Okay. It's the team. All right. Definitely take a look. The project, I like it. I like it. Let's take a look at the chart now while I have it, so you just get an idea, okay? Because the chart will tell you some things. Matic, you got to buy in the Matic, okay? That's a nice chart. That's a nice chart. It's my average buy price. I'm waiting for it to drop down here. I'm actually waiting for it to drop down a little bit below that. I think we could probably test this line right here at 31 cents, but it depends. Could just be going this, and this. So with some patience, maybe I could buy it at 35 cents. It'd be cool. This will lower my average buy price of 98 cents. I've only put a little bit of capital in it because, again, I'm waiting. But project looks pretty good, and that's a pretty good looking chart, guys, and it's new. All right, what else is next? What else did I want to bring to your attention? Two more. TRX. This would be BRC20 Bitcoin play. Okay, I've talked about this one. This is the website. I actually did a video on this one, so I won't spend too much time on that. Suffice to say, I still like it. Let's look at the numbers really quick. As of December 2025, 100% will be in circulation. Okay. Let's take a look at general overview. And that's cool because right now the market cap is 1.87 million. The fully diluted only 6.23 million. It's a brand new project, guys. It's a brand new project, so that's why circulating supply right now is only 30%. But as you know, at the end of 2025, 100% will be in circulation, and so the dilution, whatever it is not bad at 6.23 billion. You're so early that it doesn't matter. Okay. And the next one, Dnx. This is the website, dnxcoin.org. Quantum computing. This one is on a lot of lists too. If I do this, DNX, you'll see it pop up. An hour ago, DNX, done, DNX, 3 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 5 hours ago. All right, so that's good. That's good. That's and people. This is like a serious project. People look at it like serious, whatever that means. Market cap 47.67 million. It's already fairly large. Okay, fully diluted 54.35 million. But again, 50 million and under, they can do 100x. Okay, so it's like right at the cusp, and I think it could. And again, I'm looking for 100x's, guys. All right, from its all-time low, it's only up 600%. Trading volume 1.35 million. All right, I mean, it's crazy. You could look at this one and be like, I like this one more, but and all the FUD from Layer AI. But go back to it. 24-hour volume, 13 million on 11.88 million. I mean, you got to look at everything, guys. You got to look at everything. Okay. All right. So those are all the ones that I'm buying currently, or that I'm going to buy. I don't have Triathlon yet. I want to. That one's Grow. Layer AI. I have a little bit more to go to add to that bag. Devolved AI. I have way more to go to that bag. Dnx 20, same thing. Dnx. Okay, so the only one that I haven't picked up yet is Grow, and I will. AGC, I like it. Let's take a look at the charts really quick, and then we'll finish this bad boy. All right, so AGC right there. Chart to me looks bullish, although right here, right now would be a great opportunity to get in. Dnx 20. The chart does not look bullish, but it's so new, guys. It's so new. To buy it here, I think eventually it will turn around. Just it's good narrative. And that one actually has a lot of people talking about it. Right? Two minutes ago, 23 minutes ago, 26 minutes ago, 29 minutes ago. They got a lot of shillers. The community's strong. They got a lot of shillers. I like that. Okay. So right now, honestly, this is a great opportunity. Could it come down here to 4 cents? Fantastic. Do it. I will be buying. I'm gonna be DCAing in until I eventually see it come up. And it will, and it'll come up hard. It's a brand new project, guys. Okay. These are the ones you want to get into. If they're good, obviously, do your homework. What is the next one? Grow. Grow is down here because I haven't bought it yet. I wish I would have bought right here, but I have to wait for my capital to get here. It hasn't gotten here yet. Again, new project, right? Just consolidating. And once Trias goes up, this one will as well, guys. Believe that. This is a great buy, and I will be buying. Let's see what else. Dnx. Let's try to Dnx look like. Right there. This area right here is a great buy. And I have bought it already, but I'm just waiting for more capital right now to make my final buys, lower my average buy price. Dnx, right? And this long channel, look at that, big channel, the bottom part of it. Yeah, could we lose it? We've lost it before, but we kind of stayed around there. So to buy it right at 53 cents right now, I wish I had the money right now. I would add that buy right now. Because eventually we're going to come up this way, and eventually we're going to break through that, right? Wherever tried 4 times. Failed every time we came back here, and then what happens? Boom, trying again. All right, so hey, good area to buy. LAI dropped a lot from here, right? But I guess it's just kind of testing this area right here. There's a line right here. So I mean, to buy it at these levels, I think would be pretty good. I don't know that we go too much lower than that, 3 cents. My average buy is 5 cents, but I will lower that more and get it as close to 3 or here as possible. All right. And I think that is it. That is all of the ones that I discussed. Oh, AGC. Yeah, we already saw AGC. All right, cool, guys. Boom, there it is, guys. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel. Hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.